This video covers the full diminished seventh chord for an E diminished seventh chord. It's associated with the key of E minor, so it's generally used the chord. So practice this piece when you're doing the one sharp key signature. For G major and E minor, do this scale or this arpeggio also. The notes start with an E, go up a minor third, that's 3 half steps, 1, 2, 3, and then another one is here, and another third is here, and that's it. So we have 2 block keys, so we're going to use 3 and 4 fingers on them, and then they here. This is the fingering and the notes, but we're going to start on E. So in the right hand, you're going to start on thumb, which means we can use little fingers, turnaround finger. And in the left hand, we're going to start on index finger. So it's here. So, do the tremolo exercise. 1 note per beat, up and down 1 octave. Actually, probably on the intermediate level on this, you can do 2 notes per beat. Do 1 first, and then do 2 back to back. That made no sense. It's like this. Start with 1 note per beat. I'm going to start down here. 1 octave. This gets the feeling in the hands of where these notes are. And then 2 notes per beat. Accent on the beat, go up 2 octaves. So forth. Actually, it doesn't hurt to go 3 and 4 octaves too on the tremolo exercise if you to help drill it in. 3 octaves. Get the idea on that, because that switches the accents around, and then the 4 octaves if you want. I like at least one note and 2 notes per beat up and down 1 and 2 octaves. If you want to do the 3 and 4, go for it. But then when you go to do the arpeggio, well, if you're at intermediate level, maybe you just want to go up and down 2 octaves. In that case, you do 1 octave, then 2 octaves. For the arpeggio itself, it's just 1 note. Then 2 octaves, 2 notes. Advanced, you want to do the 3 and 4 octaves. 2. The whole thing. So it's 1, 2, 3, and 4 octaves at 1, 2, 3, and 4 notes per beat. And once you're doing the 4 octaves, then you do the contrary and parallel bit, the whole bit. You don't necessarily need to do the inversions on this, because the inversions are actually other diminished seventh chords that I cover in other videos. When I was in college, I had to do them. I never understood why, because they're just repetitious of what I'm doing in other keys. Oh well.